Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Shah's Maths Clinic. Today we are starting with chapter number 2, that is a fundamental chapter for the relation and a function. So let's start. First of all, we are defining what is relation. What do you mean by relation? Relation क्या होता है? What is relation? And then we define what is functions. So relation if A and B are any two non-empty sets, that is, there are some element in A and B, then any subset of A cross B is known as relation. Once again, if A and B are any two sets, any two non-empty sets, if A and B are any two non-empty sets, that's the most important one. They must be non-empty sets. Then any subset of A cross B. So any subset of A cross B, that is known as relation. As per example, suppose A cross B, that is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I am writing a relation R1, relation is defined by R as anything, you can write down this as R1, the first relationship. Any subset of this, so suppose I am writing 1, 2, and the next is going to be, suppose this is going to be 5, 6. So that is a subset of A cross B, so it is going to be a relation. Next, suppose R2, that is equals to 1, 2, 7, 8, then it is once again a relation. The next, suppose R3, that is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So once again, that is a subset of A cross B. So this is also going to be a relation. The next and the most important one that you have to remember, यहाँ पे these are the first element 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and this is, or these are the second elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 2, 4, 6, and 8. So relation A cross B का domain, this is domain and a range. Two things we would like to know. The first is domain, second is range. तो याद इस तरह से रखना है, इन A cross B, इन A cross B, पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. अगेन क्या बोला, पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. फिर से एक बार ध्यान देना बेटा, A क्रॉस B बोल रहा हूँ, ये फर्स्ट जो भी एलिमेंट है दैट डिनोट्स द डोमेन. ये सेकंड जो भी एलिमेंट्स है दिस डिनोट्स द रेंज. सो वंस अगेन, डोमेन, पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा 1, 3, 5, 7, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा 2, 4, 6, 8. फिर से एक बार, पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. Any domain 1, 3, 5, 7, always domains belongs to first set. Your range belongs to second set. Once again, your first 1, 3, 5, 7 जो भी आपका डोमेन है that must belongs to the first set. वो first set के ही एलिमेंट होते हैं. The range, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, they must belongs to the second set. Got it? Sure. Once again, एक बार फिर से A क्रॉस B में पहले पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. Is it okay? Sure. Okay, and make a note. Okay, let's start with the exercise. Exercise number 2.1, question number 1. What it says: if x by 3 plus 1, comma y minus 2 by 3 equals to 5 by 3, comma 1 by 3, then find the value of x and y. x and y मुझे फाइंड करना है. सो हमको क्या करना है? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, सो याद ऐसा रखने का, फर्स्ट विथ फर्स्ट, सेकंड विथ सेकंड. अगेन क्या बोला? फर्स्ट विथ फर्स्ट, सेकंड विथ सेकंड. फर्स्ट को फर्स्ट के साथ ही कंपेयर करेंगे, सेकंड को सेकंड के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इज दिस. सो x by 3 plus 1 equals to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. सो यहाँ पे क्या मिला? x by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. ले ले LCM ले ले. This will be here in a cross multiplication. 5 as it is, 3 ones are 3 divided by 3. Therefore x by 3 equals to 5 minus 3 by 3. What is 5 minus 3? That is 2 by 3. Therefore x by 3 equals to 2 by 3. This 3 उड़ी. यहाँ पे क्या सेम दिख रहा है? this 3 with this 3 both are same. इसको सामने दे रहा हूँ, वो भी चलेगा. This implies x equals to 2 into 3 by 3. So this 3 udi. Therefore x equals to 2. Put it in a box, call it number 1. And what you written? Y equals to minus 2 by 3, and that is equals to second element 1 by 3. Therefore y that is equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. If the denominators are same, you can add them. तो यहाँ पे denominator same है. There is no need to take any type of LCM. 2 plus 1 3 by 3. Once again 3 उड़ी. यानी क्या मिल गया यहाँ पे बेटा? y. You have got the value of y. Therefore y equals to 1. Put it in a box, call it number 2. So what do you have? So यहाँ पे लास्ट आंसर लिख देने का. Therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Once again क्या बोला? x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Any doubt in this? Sure. Make a note. Next, number 2. If A has 3 elements, how many elements are there in A? So A has 3 elements and set B has 3 4 5. यानी इसमें कितने एलिमेंट हुए बेटा? So 1 2 3. Once again 3 elements. Then find the number of elements of A cross B. So here we are going to use a formula like this. Number of elements of A cross B, that is equals to number of elements of A cross number of elements of B. Once again, if A has 3 elements and set B has 3 4 5, once again कितने एलिमेंट होंगे बेटा? यहाँ पे 3 एलिमेंट. Then find the number of elements in A cross B. So here n of A cross B, that is number of elements of A cross B, that is equal to number of elements in A cross number of elements in B. Cross means यहाँ पे हम multiplication लेंगे. So number of elements in A, how many elements are there beta? 3. Cross number of elements in B, how many elements are there? Once again 3. So 3 3s are 9. Therefore, n of A cross B equals to 9. Therefore, number of elements in A क्रॉस B इक्वल्स टू 9 आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Any doubt in this? Sure, make a note. Okay, let's start with the next number 3, third number का sum. यहाँ पे 2 sets are already given. If G equals to 7, 8 and H equals to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. What I need to find is, I need to find the first one G cross H and the next one H cross G. That means these are the Cartesian product that you already studied in the 9th standard, that we are going to revise here. G cross H equals to 7, 8 cross 5, 4, 2. So once again, let's start. First, what do you have to do? So these are going to be order pair. पहले तो ये order pair मिलने वाली है. First 7 को पकड़ लेने का आपको. You just have to start with the 7. 7 with all the elements of H, then 8 with all the elements of H. कोई भी बचना नहीं चाहिए बेटा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? सबका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ले लेना है. So let's start with the 7. These are going to be in order pair. So what will be this? So that is the first 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Okay, completed with the 7. Let's start with the 8. 8 के साथ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. So that is equals to what? So 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Okay, for just a simple cross verification, how many elements are there? 2. How many elements are there? 3. 2 3s are 6. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 elements are there. The next one, H cross G. So H equals to 5, 4, 2 cross 7, 8. Again 6 elements are there. So we are starting with 5. Here the first element is 5, so I am going to start with the 5. 5 से start कर रहा हूँ. Once again these are going to be order pair. So this is equals to 5, 7, 5, 8. Next is going to be 4, 7, 4, 8. And the last is going to be what? So that is going to be 2, 7, 2, 8. Is it okay? Sure. So that's the answer. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर या. Is it okay? Sure. Make a note. Okay. Next, number 4, fourth number. What you are given? True or false. Either they are true or false. This is what you want to find. If P equals to M cross N, M comma N, Q equals to N comma N, then P cross Q equals to Mn comma N. So वैसे तो देख के ही पता चल गया, there are 2 elements in P, 2 elements in Q, तो PQ must be 4. But यहाँ पे 2 ही element दिए, still we are finding here P cross Q. That is equals to M cross N cross N cross M. So let's start with the first element. So that is going to be Mn, Mn, comma, Nn, Nn. So how many elements are there? There are 4 elements. So the statement is false. Given statement is false because they have given just 2 elements, whereas we have 4 elements. Is it okay? Make a note. Question number 4, the set. If A and B are 2 non-empty sets, beta, A and B are 2 non-empty sets, then A cross B a non-empty set for order pair such that X belongs to A and Y. Okay, here A is not equals to 5, B is not equals to 5. Therefore, according to definition, A cross B, this is also not equals to 5, that's a null set. Therefore, the statement is true. Is it okay? Let's start with the next. For the third, if A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection null set equals to 5. So first of all, we're going to find out B intersection of 5. B that is equals to 3 cross 4 intersection, that's not cross, intersection null set, that would be a null set. Therefore, A cross B intersection 5, that is equal to, what is A? So that is 1, 2 cross a null set, so that would be a null set. Therefore, the statement is true. Therefore, okay, let's start with the next question, number 5. If A equals to minus 1, 1, find A cross A cross A. So here, A cross A cross A, that is equals to, what will be this? So this is equals to what? Minus 1, 1 cross minus 1, 1 cross minus 1, 1. So this is equals to what? So that is going to be pehle this two, first two sets. So minus 1, comma, minus 1, 1, comma, 1, comma, minus 1, comma, 1, comma, 1 cross minus 1, comma, 1. So once again, let's start with this. Minus 1, 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 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, and the last one, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Check this out. How many elements are there? So this is equals to what? फिर से एक बार, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1 with this minus 1 and 1 with the 1. Now once again, minus 1 with this minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. उसी तरह बाकी के elements. So this is what you have. This would be your answer for A cross A cross A. Any doubt? Sure, make a note. Number 6. If for A cross B, if A cross B equals to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, then find separately A and B. Here there is a Cartesian product. A cross B is already given, and what I need to find is I need to find A and B only. Is it okay? Sure. So I just told you in the starting of the chapter that पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. एंड डोमेन कहाँ पे होता है? सो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे जो है ए जो है दैट विल डिनोट डोमेन एंड दिस बी विल डिनोट्स इट्स रेंज. पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. सो ए दैट इज इक्वल्स टू A, B, B. But according to our first chapter, we cannot repeat anything in the stack. That is A equals to A comma B. B that is equals to XY, XY. Once again, we cannot repeat anything. So B that is equals to X comma Y. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Is it okay? पता चला? फिर से एक बार. What I did? पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन, ए क्या दिखाता है, डोमेन। दूसरे एलिमेंट से क्या होता है, रेंज, यानी बी क्या दिखाता है, रेंज। तो पहले डोमेन ए के लिए पहला एलिमेंट ए बी बी, I have to consider first element, so a b. We cannot repeat the things inside the set में repetition not allowed. B that is equals to second element x y, so that's going to be x and y. Will do? Sure. Make a note. Next one. Let a equals to 1 2, b equals to 1 2 3 4, c equals to 5 6, and d equals to 5 6 7 8. Then verify a cross b intersection c equals to a cross b intersection a cross c. So पहले तो whatever the things we are needed, I'm going to find it out that I need b intersection c, I need a cross b, I need a cross c. So first of all, I'm finding these things. So b intersection c. So b that is equals to 1 2 3 4. Intersection c that is equals to 5 6. So is there anything common in this? Sure. Okay. Nothing is common in this. Therefore, there's going to be a null set. Therefore, a cross b intersection c that is equals to a cross null set that is equals to null set. This is what? So that's your result number 1. Now a cross b, what is a cross b? So that is 1 2 cross 1 2 3 4. So the elements for a cross b that is equals to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. The next is going to be what? So next is going to be 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. Is it okay? Sure. The next what I want is a cross c भी चाहिए मुझे. So I'm going to find out a cross c here. Next is a cross c. So a के element that is 1 2, c के element, so that's going to be 5 6. So this is equals to what? So that's going to be 1 5 1 6. Next 2 5 2 6. Okay. So now a cross b intersection a cross c, यानी सारे एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ a cross b and a cross c के. So this is equals to what? So that is going to be 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Next is going to be what? So next is 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. Okay. Intersection the elements of a cross c. So that's going to be 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Okay, intersection means a common values here. क्या कुछ common दिखता है? Is there anything common in this? Check it out बेटा. क्या कुछ common दिखता है यहाँ पे? Sure, you have nothing as a common value. So that will be a null set. Once again, result number 2. That is what you have is a cross b intersection c. That is equals to a cross b intersection a cross c, since from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. That is the answer. Any doubt? Sure? 100%? Make a note. The next one. Let a equals to 1 2, b equals to 3 4, write a cross b. First, what I want to write? I want to write here a cross b. How many subsets will a cross b have? How many subsets will a cross b have? A cross b के कितने subsets होंगे? That I want to find. So first of all, a cross b, that is equals to 1 2 cross 3 4. That is equals to, let's start, 1 3 1 4. Next is going to be 2 3 2 4. Okay, so total how many elements are there? So here total number of elements n equals to 4. Now according to the definition, how many subsets will a set have? So number of subsets, that is equals to 2 raised to n. So यहाँ पे n equals to 4, that is 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 equals to 16. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Once again, this is we have already studied in the first chapter, that is total number of subsets of any set, that will be 2 raised to n. So यहाँ पे 2 raised to 4, that is equals to what? So 2 raised to 4 equals to 16. So we have total 16 subsets. Is it okay? Make a note. Number 9. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A equals to 3, n of B equals to 2. What do you mean by n of A? Number of elements of A. These are 3. Number of elements of B. These are 2. If x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A cross B. Yani A cross B equals to, what is this? If I am going to write down in the order form, this will be x, 1, y, 2, z, 1. यहाँ पे डाउट अभी नहीं ही होना चाहिए. And if I have written like this only, then that's all. That sum is already over. पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. अगेन क्या मिलेगा बेटा? पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. एंड जो डोमेन है वो ए में होता है, दैट इज ए इक्वल्स टू एक्स वाई जेड. एंड जो रेंज होती है दैट इज इन बी. सो बी इक्वल्स टू 1, 2, 1. 1 फिर से लिखो? नो. वाई? ओके, इन अ सेट you cannot repeat the values. So once again, आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Is it okay? Sure. Make a note. The Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found to be -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the remaining elements of A cross A. A cross A के बाकी के elements find करने हैं. So first of all, some of the elements of A cross A are -1, 0 and 0, 1. So पहले एलिमेंट से डोमेन मिलेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट से रेंज मिलेगा. बट यहाँ पे डोमेन एंड रेंज बोथ हैव द सेम सेट, दैट इज A. Therefore your A equals to -1, 0 and 1. Okay, once again 2 zeros are there, but we cannot repeat the things in a set form. So now A cross A, so therefore A cross A, that is equals to -1, 0, 1 cross -1, 0, 1. Okay, so let's start. What is this? -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1. Okay, -1 का खत्म हो गया. अब let's start with the 0. 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 0 के लिए खत्म हो गया. Now let's start with the 1. So that would be what? So that is, this is going to be what? So 1, -1. Next is going to be 1, 0. Next and the last 1, 1. Total 9 elements are there. Among this, there is -1, 0. What is this? Which elements are already given? So this -1, 0 is already given. The next one is going to be 0, 1. These two elements are already there. Yeah. Okay. Now what we want to find is, we want to find out remaining elements. So remaining elements, that is equals to, I'm writing in a set form only, -1 comma -1, next is going to be -1 comma 1, next is 0 comma -1, next is 0 comma 0, next is 1 comma -1, next is 1 comma 0, and the last that would be 1 comma 1. आपका मेरा सबका आंसर. Is it okay? Sure, 100%. Make a note and do it well proper. ठीक है? Thank you.